ating mariinit para sa kanyang speech. Tawagin natin si Dane Macalala.
Good morning, everyone, teachers, parents, guests, and all daycare students. Today is a day full of smiles, tears, and maybe a few tears. As we say goodbye to our school and get ready for new adventures, I want to share a few words with you on this special day. Firstly, I want to say a big thank you to our amazing teacher, Sir Michael Macaraig. You have taught us modern coloring, writing, singing, and dancing, but also how to divide serious and faith. You made learning fun and exciting, and we are so grateful for all the stories, games, and lessons. Call parents and helpers to our Mama and Daddy. Thank you for sharing us on every day, helping us with homework, and making those every day a little easier with your love and support. You are our heroes. And to my friends and to all daycare students, we share so many great times together, jumping in the classroom and outside the room. We made memories that will last forever, even though we might be going to different schools. As promised to stay friends and keep in touch. As we go in the weekday schools, as we remember everything we learned here. As we bring back to our lives, I will be new friends and always stay as we ask our questions and explore the world around us. So congratulations to all of